Oh my god.
I think it's that grand opening.
Oh,
Holy shit.
It's that grand opening, Mom.
No.
Go-to
Something
market.
is majorly on fire.
No, Mom. It's that go-to market grand opening, I think.
No, I think a fireworks stand caught on
It
fire.
has to be a fireworks stand.
Well,
Dude, those poor fucking firefighters.
no, that's the... Oh, I don't know.
Oh my god.
Dude, some kid probably fucking started that shit.
Can you hear it?
No, I think the store freaking caught on fire. I think the Circle K caught on fire.
Oh my god. It is a fireworks stand. That is insane.
It's
I'm just nervous. Will any of them come towards the car?
Yeah.
Like, won't they be
Coming
going
right at
every
you.
direction?
Every direction.